Hey, this is Thomas with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you this S-Series Swingback Bennington. This boat has the metallic white hull side with the blackout package. This boat is equipped with three 25-inch tunes and will be powered with a Yamaha 150 horsepower outboard 4-stroke engine with a ski tow bar not mounted yet. Boarding from the stern, you'll see a bifolding ladder. Walking forward, you'll see the nice swing back option. The seat right here does swing forwards and backwards for lounging both ways. You'll see 3 cup holders over here on the side. Continuing forward, you'll see a nice kidney-shaped table here in the cockpit. With plenty of seating to entertain. Looking forwards at the helm, you'll see this boat is equipped with the kicker stereo with 4 speakers. Has a nice Garmin Striker 4 mounted in the center with all your gauges. Plenty of cup holders. And nice forward lounging seats with portable cup holders. For more information on this boat, please visit us at www.marinemax.com or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location for more information. Thank you. Have a nice day.